Cause I'm all about him. He's all about me. And we don't give a dang about nobody.
Hello and welcome friends, how are you? I hope all are good. Guys, in this video of today I am going to show all about him chaining reel editing. So friends, without wasting your time, let's start the tutorial. Guys, we will edit this video on VN application, which is easy to find on Play Store. Import 20 photos from phone library by clicking on plus icon and new project option. So you can see guys, you have to take like these photos, and according to viral reach, first photo should be of couple photo and 5 photos should be of boy photos. Then 5 photos should be of girl photos, and again 9 photos should be of couple photos. Okay, now you have to delete VN default clip and select the ratio of 9.16. Then we will add the music on here. Music link is given in the description. You have to download reel video from given link. Then we will extract the audio from video. Okay, so when you download that reel video, after that you have to click on plus icon and music option. Then click on plus icon and extract from video option. Now you have to select that downloaded video and then click on OK option and have to click on choose option. Now click on music beats option and here you will put the beat marks. So you can see how I put the beat marks. Okay, in this way you have to put the beat marks. Now you will done from here and music will be added with beat marks. Okay, now we have to trim the photos according to beat marks. So you can see how I trim the photos. If you are not able to adding the beat marks, after trimming I will tell you photos durations.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, but won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling.
So you have seen you have to trim like this. Now note the photos durations from given on the screen and your video is ready to save. Click on export option and run from here. Now you have to click on save to album option and your video will be saved. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want to trending viral reels related notifications. So see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.